Have you ever noticed that your car just doesn't feel as powerful as it used to? Maybe it takes longer to accelerate, fuel economy has dropped, or the engine simply feels sluggish. The truth is, most engines don't suddenly lose performance overnight. Many vehicles lose between 10 and 20% of their original performance by the time they reach 100,000 miles. Not because the engine is worn out, but because of dirt, carbon buildup, neglected maintenance, and aging components. In this video, we will uncover 9 proven methods that can help bring back your engine's lost performance and make your car feel younger, stronger, and more responsive. Let's get started. Trick number 9. Remove carbon buildup from the intake and combustion chamber. One of the biggest reasons engines lose power over time is carbon buildup. Every gallon of gasoline burned leaves tiny carbon deposits behind. Over 50,000 to 100,000 miles, these deposits accumulate on intake valves, piston crowns, and combustion chambers. Studies on direct injection engines have found intake valve deposits thick enough to reduce airflow by 10% to 20%. Less airflow means less oxygen entering the engine, and less oxygen means less power. Carbon buildup can also increase the risk of engine knock and reduce combustion efficiency. To address this issue, add a high-quality fuel system cleaner to a nearly empty fuel tank before filling up. Drive normally until the tank is empty. For intake cleaning, spray an induction cleaner through the intake system according to product instructions while the engine is running. If you own a direct injection engine with severe buildup, consider professional walnut blasting, where crushed walnut shells are used to safely clean intake valves. Mechanics typically recommend inspection every 50,000 to 70,000 miles for direct injection engines. After cleaning, many owners notice improved acceleration almost immediately. Trick number 8. Clean fuel injectors. Fuel injectors must deliver fuel in a fine mist for efficient combustion. Over time, varnish and deposits form inside injector passages can affect spray patterns. Instead of producing a fine mist, dirty injectors may create larger droplets that burn less efficiently. Research conducted by fuel system manufacturers has shown that injector deposits can significantly reduce fuel flow and power output over time. Dirty injectors can also contribute to rough idle, hesitation, and poor fuel economy. To restore your injector performance, pour the cleaner into a nearly empty fuel tank and then fill the tank completely. Drive normally until most of the fuel has been used. For severe injector contamination, remove the injectors and have them professionally cleaned using ultrasonic equipment. Mechanics frequently observe measurable improvements in engine smoothness and acceleration after injector cleaning. Proper fuel atomization allows the engine to burn fuel more completely, which helps recover lost power and efficiency. Trick number 7. Replace the air filter. Your engine consumes far more air than fuel. For every gallon of gasoline burned, an engine can use over 10,000 gallons of air. That means airflow restrictions can have a major impact on performance. A clogged air filter forces the engine to work harder to draw in air, especially during acceleration. While modern engine computers can compensate to some degree, but performance and fuel economy often suffer. Dirt, dust, insects, and debris gradually clog the filter media over time. The longer the filter remains neglected, the harder the engine has to work. Replacing it is one of the simplest and cheapest ways to restore lost performance. Here is how to do it. Open the hood and locate the air filter box. Release the clips or remove the screws securing the housing. Pull out the air filter and inspect it against a bright light. If very little light passes through, replace it. Clean any debris inside the airbox before installing the new filter. Make sure the filter sits properly in the housing before reassembling. A fresh air filter helps restore proper airflow, improves combustion efficiency, and can make the engine feel more responsive. Trick number 6. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures incoming air volume and helps the engine computer determine the correct amount of fuel to inject. Even a slight error in airflow readings can affect engine performance. Dirt, oil vapors, and airborne contaminants gradually accumulate on the sensor element. Mechanics frequently diagnose dirty MAF sensors on vehicles experiencing sluggish acceleration and poor fuel economy. Because the sensor influences fuel delivery, that's why accurate readings are critical. Cleaning the sensor often restores lost responsiveness and improves drivability. Here is how to clean your MAF sensor. Locate the MAF sensor between the air filter box and throttle body. Disconnect the electrical connector carefully. Remove the sensor using the appropriate screwdriver. Spray the sensing elements with dedicated MAF cleaner and never touch the delicate wires with your fingers or tools. Allow the sensor to dry completely before reinstalling. Reconnect the electrical connector and start the engine. A cleaner sensor often provides noticeable improvements immediately. Trick number 5. Clean the throttle body. If your engine feels lazy when accelerating, hesitates when you press the gas pedal, or idles roughly at traffic lights, a dirty throttle body could be the hidden culprit. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering your engine, making it one of the most important components for engine performance. Over time, oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system, carbon particles, and combustion byproducts accumulate around the throttle plate. Even a thin layer of deposits can restrict airflow and interfere with precise throttle operation. However, cleaning a throttle body is surprisingly simple. Start by turning off the engine and allowing it to cool. Locate the throttle body by following the air intake tube from the air filter box toward the engine. Remove the intake tube using a screwdriver or socket set. Inspect the throttle plate and surrounding bore for black carbon deposits. Spray a dedicated throttle body cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe away the buildup. If your vehicle uses a cable-operated throttle body, carefully open the throttle plate by hand to clean both sides. Reinstall the intake tube and start the engine. This simple maintenance task usually takes less than 20 minutes and can make an aging engine feel significantly more responsive. Trick number 4. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve is one of the cheapest engine components but can have a surprisingly large impact on performance. During normal operation, combustion gases leak past the piston rings and enter the crankcase. The PCV system removes these gases and routes them back into the engine to be burned. Over time, the PCV valve can become clogged with sludge, oil deposits, and carbon buildup. A restricted PCV valve can increase crankcase pressure, contaminate engine oil more quickly, and even contribute to oil leaks. Mechanics often find clogged PCV valves on vehicles with rough idle, sluggish acceleration, excessive oil consumption, and reduced fuel economy. Replacing a neglected PCV valve can restore smooth engine performance and improve engine efficiency. So, locate your PCV valve, which is usually connected to a valve cover and attached to a vacuum hose. With the engine off, remove the valve and shake it. Most traditional PCV valves should produce a noticeable rattling sound. If there is no rattle, or the valve appears heavily contaminated, replacement is recommended. Also, inspect the connected hoses for cracks or restrictions. Install the new PCV valve and reconnect all hoses securely. For many older engines, replacing a neglected PCV valve is one of the easiest ways to restore proper crankcase ventilation and improve overall engine performance. Trick number 3. Restore fuel pressure to factory specifications. Many drivers focus on air intake problems while forgetting about fuel delivery. Even if the engine can breathe perfectly, it won't produce full power without adequate fuel pressure. Fuel pumps weaken over time, fuel filters become restricted, and pressure regulators can fail. Automotive engineers design fuel systems to operate within very specific pressure ranges. Even a small drop in pressure can reduce performance under heavy load. To check your engine fuel pressure, connect a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail service port if equipped. Start the engine and compare readings to factory specifications. If pressure is low, inspect the fuel filter first. Replace the filter if serviceable. If pressure remains low, test the fuel pump and pressure regulator. Repair or replace faulty components as necessary. After repairs, verify that pressure remains stable under acceleration. Ensuring proper fuel pressure allows the engine to deliver its full potential when you press the accelerator.